Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have a product from Grizzly Industrial. It's the model T32720 10-inch variable speed wet sharpener. It goes from 90 RPMs up to 150. Comes with a stone. Comes with a lever stropping wheel. Comes with the paste. And it also comes with this little tool rest for your chisels. However, I wanted to use it for sharpening knives. So I got a couple of knife holders. This one's for 4 inches and under. And this is for the blades that are 4 inches and longer. I'll turn it around, show everybody how we set it up, because I'm going to sharpen against the rotation. Before we get started, I want to show everyone this SOG knife. The gentleman gave it to me. He could not get an edge on it. And if you will look closely, you can see that the bevel is just not there. So I polished it up. It had a lot of scratches in it. Now I want to show everyone how you put it in a jig and how we use this. First of all, I'm going to put a piece of tape on this to keep from scratching it. And this one is a little bit difficult because of the profile of the blade. And I've already filled up the tray with water. And I like to use my little pliers to get this in snug. I believe we got it still now. I'm going to start this off running at 90 RPMs. I think that's sufficient for what I want to do. Good and wet. Take this stone. Thing I did, I went ahead and preset this earlier. Bar bite. If you'll take the angle finder, that way you can get this bar level. I'm going to double check myself on this and show you how to use the gauge on it. I'm setting this one for 20 degrees. So what you want to do is put it on here. Make sure the flat part lines up with your blade. And I believe that's just about what I want. Now we'll get started back. We're going to see how this works. Take several passes. As I said, this blade is really worn down. A few more passes on the 220. We'll have a burr on this one. put my finger down on the blade, gives me a little bit more control. I'm going to bump this back up to 1,000. Listen to it until it's a finer grit. I believe it's about time I can put this on the strop. was a little challenging with this blade due to the profile. With this profile, it's hard to get a good gripping point. Now we're going to try this with the strop. Now, turn this way, it's much easier. I can see more what I'm doing. Just a few more on this strap, and I believe it's going to be really nice. I always have it going away from me. I believe everyone can see this is not bad at all. Remember, this is 1,000 grit. Now we'll have a few final words. I believe now everyone can see this machine does a decent job. It's not the most expensive one out there. It's reasonable priced. The biggest issue I had was this blade, trying to keep it clamped down in here, but that was not the machine or the clamp. That was just a profile. Go over their website. I'll have a link below in the description box. There'll also be some pictures before and after, and I think everybody's going to be pleased when they see that too. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.